Hafiz Culinary Art. Today I'm back with yet another delicious recipe from Italian cuisine, that is lasagna. Italian cuisine wouldn't be complete without lasagna, and we all love lasagna, right? Today we will be watching vegetable lasagna. This recipe requires 3 steps of cooking, that is vegetable for stuffing the lasagna, green sauce and the cheese sauce. So let's directly begin with the recipe. I've taken here a frying pan, heat up it a little bit and then add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. After the oil is heated up a bit, we would add finely chopped onion. I have taken here 1 finely chopped onion. Fry it well till the onion softens. Please keep the gas on high flame. Now as you see onions have softened a bit, I would add here some garlic powder. You can use garlic cloves finely chopped instead of the garlic powder. As you see our onions are cooked through, we would add our paprikas. I have taken here different colors of paprika. You can take 1 single paprika of your choice. Fry the paprika well till it is cooked through. Paprika takes some time to cook and allow it to cook on medium flame. Add some mushrooms finely sliced. In this lasagna, you can use any veggies of your choice, but mushrooms and spinach goes well with lasagna. So I have used here mushroom and spinach. Fry the mushrooms till they are cooked through. Mushrooms leave water while cooking, so cook the veggies till all the water from the mushrooms has dried out. Then I would add blanched spinach. After blanching the spinach, I have added some cream to it. This is only for the creamy texture of our veggies. It is completely optional. You can just add simple blanched spinach. Start mixing everything well and allow the vegetable to cook for more 2 to 3 minutes. Then we would start adding our seasoning. First goes in thyme, then goes in some oregano, then I would add some black pepper, mix it well. And then finally goes in salt to taste. I have added here 2 teaspoons of salt. You can add salt as per your taste. And now as you see our vegetable for lasagna is almost ready. So we are done with our first step of cooking vegetable, and now we can take it off the flame and keep it aside. Now we would start with our step 2, that is preparing white cream sauce. For that we would take 4 to 5 tablespoons of butter, which is at room temperature. Allow the butter to melt completely, and then we would add almost 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Now stir the mixture continuously and make sure that no lumps are formed. Stir this mixture till the flour becomes brown in color. Now if you can see, everything has turned brown. Now we would add milk slowly. I have taken you 1 glass of milk, or whole milk. Just add slowly and stir while adding. Keep on whisking the milk so that no lumps would form, and keep the gas on low heat. Stir slowly and continuously on low heat till the milk is thickened up. Now we would check on our cream sauce. So you have to take it in a spoon and just slide your finger down. Now as you see, our cream sauce is cooked well. We would start adding our seasoning. That is some salt to taste. Then some black pepper. And finally I would crush a pinch of nutmeg. This adds a very nice flavor to our white cream sauce. Stir everything well and allow the sauce to cook for about 2 minutes. Then add mozzarella cheese, a little amount of mozzarella cheese, because later we would be using a lot of cheese in our lasagna. And now if you see, this is the consistency of our white sauce, and our white sauce is ready. So we are done with our step 2. We will keep the sauce aside. Now we would start with our step 3, that is preparing cheese sauce. For this we would take cream cheese. You can also take hunk curd or Greek yogurt. Then we would add finely chopped coriander. Then we would add seasoning, that is oregano, some thyme, and we would again crush a pinch of nutmeg. Some salt to taste, pinch of salt. And finally goes in the Parmesan cheese. Please be generous on your Parmesan cheese. It adds quite a lot of flavor to cheese sauce. Combine everything well with the help of spatula. And then keep it aside. Now we would start assembling our lasagna into a lasagna dish. First goes in our white sauce. Spread it evenly. Then we would place our lasagna sheets one over the other. It depends on your lasagna dish, how big it is. You can place it as per your dish. Then we would spread our cheese sauce over it. Spread the cheese sauce evenly. Hold the sheets and spread it properly. Then we would add our vegetable stuffing. In similar manner, we would repeat one more layer, that is cream sauce on it. Then we would add lasagna sheets on it. Then goes in our cheese sauce. And finally the vegetable. Now again we would add cream sauce. Then place lasagna sheets. This is the top layer, so we will again cover it with the cream sauce and spread it evenly. And finally, we are going to cover this lasagna dish with a silver foil. And then this is ready to go into the preheated oven for about 40 minutes. At 200 degrees Celsius. After 40 minutes, our lasagna looks so yummy. And now the final step is remaining. That is, we'll put lot of mozzarella cheese on it and put it in the oven again for more 15 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. And after lots of efforts, our lovely lasagna is ready to eat. Wow, it looks so delicious. I know, after watching this recipe, your mouth must be watering or drooling to eat such a cheesy vegetable lasagna. And this is the best recipe for those who are sitting in the house and missing eating outside. So do try this recipe today itself and write me in the comment section below. Do subscribe to my channel, that is Madhuri's Culinary Art, and don't forget to share and like my video. Bye. See you next time with the new recipe. Till then, happy cooking.